Rank number 1 with NotebookLM AI SEO. Here's how. Google just made SEO stupid easy. NotebookLM now does your competitor research in seconds. It builds entire content briefs automatically. I'm showing you the exact 4-step system we use for the AI Profit Boardroom. This is how you rank faster than anyone else. Alright, let's talk about NotebookLM. You've probably heard of it as that note-taking thing from Google, but here's what changed. Google just upgraded it with Gemini 3. And it turned into an SEO machine. I'm talking full competitor analysis in seconds, keyword clusters, content gaps, entire outlines, all automated. This is the tool we use to create content for the AI Profit Boardroom, and I'm going to show you exactly how we do it. Because if you're still doing SEO research manually, you're wasting hours every single day. This cuts that down to minutes. So here's what we're covering today. First, I'll show you the new features that make this work, then the exact 4-step system we use. And I'll walk you through a real example for the AI Profit Boardroom so you can see how this works in action. By the end, you'll have the prompts, the workflow, everything. Let's go. So what makes NotebookLM different now? 3 things. Number 1, Gemini 3 integration. This means better reasoning. It understands context way better than before. So when you feed it competitor pages, it actually knows what matters. Number 2, deep research mode. You can upload hundreds of URLs or documents, and it processes all of them into tables, keyword lists, gap analyses, everything you need to rank. Number 3, export options. You can send everything straight to Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides. No copy pasting, no formatting headaches. You just export and start writing. This is huge for content teams because now you can go from research to draft in one sitting. Okay, so how do we actually use this? Here's the 4-step system. Step 1 is research. Step 2 is outline. Step 3 is draft. Step 4 is polish. Simple as that. But the magic is in the prompts, because if you use the right prompts, NotebookLM does almost everything for you. Let me show you exactly how this works. Let's say we want to rank for AI automation for businesses. That's a keyword we target for the AI Profit Boardroom because we help business owners automate their workflows with AI. So step 1, we need to research the competition. Here's what you do. Go to Google, search for AI automation for businesses, grab the top 20 ranking pages, copy those URLs. Now go to NotebookLM, create a new notebook, title it AI Automation for Businesses, then upload all those URLs into the notebook. NotebookLM will process them. And here's the first prompt you use. Research AI Automation for Businesses, gather the top 20 ranking pages and build a ranked table of common topics, primary keywords, secondary keywords, search intent, and content gaps. Provide source links. That's it. Hit enter and watch what happens. NotebookLM scans every single page. It pulls out the topics they all cover, it finds the keywords they're targeting, it shows you what they're missing, and it gives you a table you can actually use. This is the part that used to take hours. Now it takes 2 minutes, and you have a complete competitive analysis. You know exactly what to write about, you know what keywords to use, you know what gaps to fill. This is how we stay ahead, because while everyone else is manually clicking through pages, we're already moving to step 2. Step 2 is the outline. This is where you build the structure of your content, and again, NotebookLM does most of the work. Here's the second prompt. Create an SEO optimized content outline for AI automation for businesses. Include target keywords, headings, word count recommendation, meta title, meta description, FAQs, and internal linking suggestions. Same thing, hit enter, and NotebookLM builds you a full outline. You'll get H2s, H3s, everything structured. You'll get keyword suggestions for each section. You'll get FAQ ideas. You'll even get meta tags ready to go. This is the blueprint. And once you have this, writing becomes so much easier because you're not guessing what to write. You have a clear roadmap. For the AI Profit Boardroom, this means we can create content way faster. We know exactly what our audience needs, we know what questions they're asking, and we can answer them better than anyone else. And one more thing, if you're creating all this content with NotebookLM, but nobody is finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and more sales, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online, and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. Right. Step 3 is the draft. This is where you actually write the content, and yes, NotebookLM helps here too. Here's the third prompt. Write the first 1,200 words based on the outline. Use natural keywords, friendly tone for business owners learning about AI automation, and add relevant links. Now, here's the key. You want to customize this for your audience. For the AI Profit Boardroom, we're talking to business owners, people who want to automate their business but don't know where to start. So the tone is friendly, clear, simple, no jargon, no complicated terms, just straight value. When you run this prompt, NotebookLM writes the first chunk of your article, and it's not generic fluff. It's based on the research you did, it's based on the outline you built, so it's actually relevant. Now, do you publish this as is? No. You still need to edit it, you need to add your own voice, you need to check the facts. But the heavy lifting is done. Instead of staring at a blank page for an hour, you're editing a draft that's already 80% there. This is how we scale content. We use AI to do the grunt work, then we add the human touch, and that's what makes it rank. Step 4 is polish. This is where you make it perfect. Here's the 4th prompt. Review the draft. Improve SEO by checking readability, keyword density, and topic coverage. Produce a final checklist, meta tags, structured data suggestions, and an analytics plan. This is your quality control. NotebookLM will scan your draft. It'll tell you if your keywords are too dense or too sparse. It'll check if your content is easy to read. It'll suggest structured data you can add, and it will give you a checklist to make sure nothing's missing. For the AI Profit Boardroom, this step is critical because we don't just want to rank, we want to convert. So we make sure every piece of content is clear, helpful, and actionable. And that's the 4-step system: research, outline, draft, polish, 4 prompts, and you have a full piece of SEO content ready to publish. Now, let me give you the exact prompts one more time so you can copy them. Prompt 1, research your keyword. Gather the top 20 ranking pages and build a ranked table of common topics, primary keywords, secondary keywords, search intent, and content gaps. Provide source links. Prompt 2, create an SEO optimized content outline for your topic. Include target keywords, headings, word count recommendation, meta title, meta description, FAQs, and internal linking suggestions. Prompt 3, write the first 1,200 words based on the outline. Use natural keywords, friendly tone for your audience, and add relevant links. Prompt 4, review the draft. Improve SEO by checking readability, keyword density, and topic coverage. Produce a final checklist, meta tags, structured data suggestions, and an analytics plan. That's it. 4 prompts, and you can use these for any keyword, any niche, any topic. We use them for the AI Profit Boardroom. We use them for client content. We use them for everything because it works. Now, here's what most people miss. They think AI is going to do everything for them. It won't. AI is a tool. It speeds up research. It builds outlines. It writes drafts, but you still need to edit. You still need to add your expertise. You still need to make sure it's accurate. That's the difference between content that ranks and content that gets ignored. Google can tell when something is just AI slop, but when you use AI to do the heavy lifting and then add your own touch, that's when you win. That's what we do for the AI Profit Boardroom. We use NotebookLM to research and outline. We use AI to draft. Then we go through and make it better. We add examples. We add case studies. We add our own insights. And that's what makes it rank. So if you want to use this system, here's what you do. Go to notebooklm.google.com. It's free. Sign in with your Google account. Create a new notebook. Upload your competitor URLs. Use the 4 prompts I just gave you and start creating content. You can do this for blog posts. You can do this for landing pages. You can do this for video scripts, whatever you need. The system works the same way. And the best part, you can export everything straight to Google Docs. So you're not stuck in NotebookLM. You can take your outline, your draft, everything, and move it to your workflow. This is how we stay fast. This is how we create more content than our competitors. And this is how we rank. Now, one more thing. If you're doing all this and you're still not ranking, there's probably a reason. Maybe your site doesn't have enough authority. Maybe you're missing backlinks. Maybe your technical SEO needs work. That's where we come in. If you want to rank round 1, get more customers, and actually win with AI SEO, this is your next move. We're not talking theory or recycled tips. This is the exact system we're using right now. Real workflows, weekly live support, clear actions, steps you can actually follow. If you're serious about scaling with SEO and AI, join the SEO Elite Circle. That's where we break things down live, fix real problems, and help you move faster with zero guesswork. Hit the link in the description. Join the SEO Elite Circle today.